In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio in ElevenLabs. First things first, if you haven't signed up for ElevenLabs yet, make sure you use our affiliate link, as it's a great way to support our channel while you take full advantage of the amazing features ElevenLabs offers. Now, let's dive right into how you can easily download your audio creations. Once you've logged in to your ElevenLabs account, generating audio is a straightforward process. For instance, if you're looking to use their text-to-speech generator, simply enter or paste the text you want to be transformed into speech. The platform does a fantastic job of converting this text into high-quality audio. Once you've generated the audio, your attention should now shift to the media player that appears at the bottom of the interface. Here on the media player, you'll find essential controls to play, pause, or skip through your audio. But crucially, there's also a download button located at the bottom right. This button is your gateway to saving your audio file directly onto your device. Simply click on this download button, and just like that, your audio will be automatically downloaded in MP3 format. This format is widely compatible, making it easy to share or use in various applications and devices. Now, if you're interested in downloading sound effects instead of the typical text-to-speech audio, rest assured, the process remains just as simple. All you need to do is play the sound effect you wish to download. Again, you'll see the familiar media player controls, and just like before, the download button will be waiting for you at the bottom right. Click it, and the sound effect will swiftly be saved to your device in the same hassle-free manner, and there you have it. Whether it's text-to-speech audio or immersive sound effects, downloading from ElevenLabs is designed to be intuitive and efficient. These quick steps ensure you can easily access your audio creations anytime, enhancing your ability to work on projects seamlessly. Remember, if you're just getting started with ElevenLabs, using our affiliate link not only helps you, but supports us too, which we truly appreciate. Thanks for tuning in today, and enjoy experimenting with your audio downloads from ElevenLabs.